and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this video, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Let's learn Igbo language together. Learn Igbo language with Igbo. Igbo language simplified. How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? You are welcome to today's edition. No, ụmụnne. Let's learn Igbo language together. Today, I'm going to teach you how to identify parts of your body in Igbo language. How to identify parts of your body. Let's go there. Head. Head. Isi. Head. Isi. Can you touch your head? Call it isi. Head. Isi. Eyes. Anya. Eyes. Anya. Touch your eyes. Or you call it Anya. Anya. Eyes. Anya. Nose. Imi. Nose. Imi. Touch your nose. Or you call it Imi. Imi. Mouth. Onu. Mouth. Onu. Touch your mouth. Or you call it onu. Mouth. Onu. Teeth. Eze. Teeth. Eze. Touch your teeth. Let's learn Igbo language together. I hope you're following me. When I say touch, you touch and call as I call it. Pronounce it as I pronounce it. Follow me gently. Teeth. Eze. Teeth. Eze. Teeth. Eze. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Iburu nwati Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. I love you and I love Igbo language. So let's do it together. Your ear. Nti. Ear. Nti. Touch your ear. Or you call it nti. Call your ear. Nti. 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 Neck. Onu. Neck. Onu. I hope you're following me. Touch as I touch. Let's call it along. That's where you learn it. Neck. Onu. Neck. Onu. I hope you're understanding it. Alright. This is my hand. Hand. Aka. Hand. Aka. Hand. Aka. Aka. Then you come to your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. That's your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Ọkwa ị na-aghọta ya? Aka. Aka. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. In this channel, we learn Igbo language together. Follow me, listen, let's learn it together. I hope you understand what I'm saying so far. Let's start again. Let's recap so that you get it. Isi, head. Isi, head. Isi. Eye, anya. Eye, anya, nose, imi, nose, imi, mouth, ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ, teeth, eze, teeth, eze, ear, ntị, ear, ntị, neck, onu, neck, onu, hand, aka, your fingers, mkpịsị aka, tongue, ile, ile, your tongue, ile. Then your leg, ụkwụ, leg, ụkwụ, stomach, afọ, stomach, afọ, stomach, afọ. In this language, it's all about Igbo language simplified. If you keep following me, you will understand Igbo language as easy as ABC. It is simplified with Adibo. Keep on following this channel. Thank you for watching today's episode. Bye for now. Kemesia. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Let's learn Igbo language together.